And Shivani, can you tell us a little more about the diet during COVID? Matlab, like a normal common man, what exactly he should think about his diet? Like what he
Right.
should take in breakfast, lunch, dinner, which food products she should more focus on.
Right. So, if you talk about diet during COVID, like there are three phases, pre-COVID, during COVID, and post-COVID. So, let's talk about diet during COVID. Once you're diagnosed with COVID, the first thing which really happens is a lot of people do not really want to eat a lot of food. They don't feel like eating food, and they don't get taste, and the smell goes. So, of course, you don't feel like eating. So the first thing is it's very, very important to have small frequent meals because your body needs more energy at that time. So make sure that you include more complex carbohydrates in your diet and a good combination of simple carbohydrates in your diet. So add different type of grains in the diet so you get proper nutrition. सिर्फ गेहूं या सिर्फ चावल नहीं रखें. Just make it a point that you add different variety of grains in the diet, and especially if there is a lot of inflammation in body, I would suggest to avoid wheat on the regular basis for just certain period of time, for that week or 15 days. Try to avoid wheat from the diet, so you can include other different grains like ragi or maybe jawar or maybe bajra in the diet. So, and the millets especially, because they get good, you get a good amount of vitamins and minerals through them. At the same time, they are good quality carbohydrates, so you have to take care of that there are at least 3 to 4 servings of carbohydrates in your diet. Second, very, very important thing is protein. As we know, during COVID, like once your body has COVID, there will be a lot of muscle wasting, and that is the reason you feel very weak. And I have seen a lot of people, Dr. Yashika, who cannot even get up from their bed to the washroom during the COVID times because they feel so weak, and they're so tired, and
Hmm.
there is so much of muscle wasting going on. A lot of people
Hmm.
lose a lot of weight also. So make sure the protein is really good. And if I suggest, ideally there should be at least around 60 to 65 grams of protein in the diet at that particular time. So make sure that you're including all the legumes, dal, जो भी घर का home cooked हमें easily मिलता है. Make sure that there is dal at least twice in a day. Then you can include chana chaat, you can include rajma chaat, you can include sprout chaat in the diet, so that the protein is good enough and it's a good quality protein, right? Then you can include milk and milk products. So there can be curd in the diet, paneer can be part of your diet. If you're a non-vegetarian, make sure that you include eggs and chicken in the diet. Even during the COVID, there is no problem in it. So make sure that there is a good amount of protein in your diet so that you do not get that post COVID fatigue या post COVID weakness जो बहुत लोगों को हो रही है, वो आपको नहीं हो. The third thing which has to be there, that is probiotics. We generally do not talk about them, but they are very, very important. And especially these time, WHO is also focused on probiotics during this time, because if your gut health is not good, the absorption of the medicines or supplements you are taking, that will definitely hamper. It's very important to have a good gut health. So for that, make sure that you're including fermented foods like idli, dhokla, which is generally prepared. So that is why I'm saying, during COVID diet, है ना, it is more of a home-based diet, which we generally eat. Because our Indian diet is already rich in all the nutrients. So make sure that you include fermented food in the diet. Up dahi ka definitely include kare. Buttermilk you can include in the diet. Even pickles जो होते हैं, pickles are fermented. They are good source of probiotics. आजकल problem ये है कि they have a lot of oil, which makes them unhealthy. But जो हमारे पुराने पहले के जितने भी pickles होते थे, they are very healthy, and you can definitely consume pickles in the regular basis, just 2 pieces in a day, that is fine. तो वो आप जरूर include करें अपने diet में. Other than that, water is very, very important, and a lot of people get dehydrated during COVID. So it's very, very important that you make it a point to drink at least 12 glasses to 14 glasses of water throughout the day. And अगर आप plain water नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, तो you can take glucon D, or maybe you can take sugarcane juice, or maybe you can take ORS. So if you're feeling weak, you can add these things, or maybe some infused water. अगर आपको पानी का flavor पसंद नहीं है, you don't like it, you can infuse your mint, coriander, cucumber, maybe strawberries, or whatever fruit you have in the water, and you can have it. So this way, you can increase your water intake. Another few vitamins which are very important, again, vitamin D, vitamin C, E and zinc. These are very, very important. So make sure that your vitamin D levels, and generally once a person gets COVID, doctor generally starts the vitamin D supplementation, zinc supplementation, vitamin C supplement. So that is important. C ke liye, all the citrus fruits, mangoes, papaya, all these are good source of vitamin C. Even dhania jo hota hai, green chilies hote hain, they are also good source of vitamin C. I think these we can definitely include in our diet. देन जिंक के लिए यू कैन इंक्लूड ऑल द नट्स एंड सीड्स. मेक इट अ पॉइंट कि आप डेली जब आपको मंच करने का मन करता है ना, तो जस्ट रोस्ट देम एंड हैव देम. दे आर वेरी यमी, एंड anyways they are giving you a lot of nutrients, so that you can include dahi, you can include all the grains are good source of zinc, so that you can also include vitamin E के लिए again 5 almonds, 2 walnuts, उनको डालना ही है डाइट में whatsoever it is, so they will help you with vitamin E. Then you can add flax seeds, they are very good source of vitamin E, so make sure that you include them. एंड थोड़ा सा जो लोगों को भी कोविड है, अगर आपके घर में देर इज अ स्पेस जहाँ पे सनलाइट आती है, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट प्लीज गो एंड सिट इन सनलाइट. मुझे लगता है मोस्ट ऑफ अस वी डोंट डू दैट. हम लोग को टैनिंग की टेंशन हो जाती है, या वी वुड पुट अ लॉट ऑफ सनस्क्रीन. सो इतना हम लोग नहीं ले पाते हैं, बट एटलीस्ट इस टाइम पर आप कोशिश करें कि आप विटामिन डी एब्जॉर्प्शन के लिए सिट इन द सनलाइट. इट्स टोटली फ्री. So yeah, these are the things which you should definitely take care during COVID.
Shivani, on this thing, I would like to add one thing. Even I have a relative at home who had COVID, and he has become so emaciated, and he is not even getting up from his bed. So actually, I think motivation of the patients to get up and sit in the sunlight, eat food, get a massage done is very important. And even the family members who have gone through almost a phase where the patient has been about to not be available to us and has come back home is such a shocking phase that thinking about a diet a lot, that the change of phase is required. So the relatives also need to think a lot.